Hello friends, my name is Amrita Mondal. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create presentation or PPT file in Ms-PowerPoint. So from here you can create new slide in your presentation. So you can see so many types of slide you can see from here. So you can choose any one of them as per your requirement. So here I am writing the title of this presentation. This is the main title by which this presentation will be named. And here I am writing the subtitle of this presentation. You can write anything as per your requirement. Now I am writing another title at another slide of this presentation. Now here I am writing some content of this presentation of this topic. Your presentation wise you can write any content. By right click on your mouse here, this box will appear. From here you can choose any kind of bullet forms. You can see various bullet forms here, and also you can add numbering in your presentation from here. Now you can select your data and set bold, italic and underline from here. Also you can set color for that particular data from this option. You can choose other colors from here as per your requirement in your presentation. You can also resize your data from this option. You can choose any size from here for your particular data. And this is the shortcut process of resizing your data. From this option shapes, you can add any kind of shapes in your presentation. Like this you can set that shape. Also I am selecting another shape. Just right click on that shape or this box and click on edit text option to write any text over this shape. You can also change this color by right click on this shape. Also you can change the text color from here. You can move this from one place to another. You can also rotate it. From this format tab you can also change the style of this shape or color also. Now I am resizing this text from this option. You can also set alignment from this option. You can delete these shapes by right click on that and just go to cut option and it will be deleted. From this option you can also change the style of your data. This is the quick style. You can also insert picture in your presentation from here. Just select your picture and just click on the insert button from here and it will be inserted in your data or presentation. You can also adjust its size as per your requirement. You can also change design of your presentation from this design tab, so you can choose any design whichever you want. By click on this arrow you can see so many kind of designs, so you can choose any one of them. You can select this option apply to all slides, or you can choose apply to selected slides like this. It will be applied on that particular slide which you select that time. You can change layout for any particular slide by right click on mouse on that particular slide and just go to layout option, and you can see so many kind of layouts, so you can choose any one of them. Now you can go to animations tab and you can select any kind of animation for your particular slides. So you can choose different animations for your different slides. I am here set the speed at medium. Now go to the Slideshow tab and select this option from beginning, so your slides will be begin from the first slide. By right click on your text, you can select format text effects from here and you can choose any kind of effect for your particular text. So here you can see the difference. Now to save this presentation, you have to go to this home tab option and just click on save as option from here, and this box will appear and just select the place where you want to store this data. I am here selecting desktop option and just give a file name. You can give any kind of file name and then save this file from this option. It will be saved your presentation. And now I am going to the My Computer option to see whether my data is saved or not. So I am going to this option desktop and double click on that file I have saved. You can see it has opened successfully. That's it for today's video. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please comment me in the comments section below. If you are new in my channel, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button to get all notifications of my new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in my next video.